Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. Your vegetables look very fresh.
Thank you. Everything is fresh from the farm.
How much are the tomatoes?
They are 3 pounds per kilo.
I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
Yes. How much are the potatoes?
They are 2 pounds per kilo.
Are they organic?
Yes, they're grown without chemicals.
Great. I'll take 2 kilos.
Would you like to try these apples?
Sure, thank you. They're very sweet.
They're 4 pounds per kilo.
I'll take 1 kilo of apples as well.
No problem. That comes to 11 pounds.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to buy some meat, please.
Sure. What kind of meat are you looking for?
I need chicken and a little beef.
How much chicken would you like?
1 kilo, please.
Would you like it cut into pieces or whole?
Please cut it into small pieces.
No problem. And how much beef do you need?
Half a kilo. Is it fresh?
Yes, it's very fresh. We got it this morning.
Great. How much is it per kilo?
The chicken is 6 pounds per kilo, and the beef is 10 pounds per kilo.
That's fine. Please give me both.
Would you like anything else?
Nope, that's all. How much is the total?
The total is 11 pounds.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I'm looking for cooking oil.
It's in aisle 3, next to the rice section.
Thank you.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes. Do you have sugar on sale today?
Yes, it's on discount. Buy one, get one half price.
That sounds good. I'll take 2 packs.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Where can I pay?
You can pay at the checkout counter.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi,
Hello.
what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure, what kind would you like?
A latte, please.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Any sugar or milk?
Just a little sugar.
That will be 4 pounds.
Here you go.
Your coffee will be ready shortly.
Thank you.
Good
Hi.
afternoon. Where would you like to go?
Good afternoon. Please take me to the city center.
Sure. Do you prefer the fastest route or the cheaper one?
The fastest route, please.
No problem. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Then I'll point out some landmarks on the way.
That would be great. Thank you.
We might face a little traffic ahead.
That's okay. I'm not in a hurry.
We've arrived. The fare is 12 pounds.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello,
Good afternoon.
welcome to the store.
Hi, thank you. I'm looking for a shirt.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
What color are you looking for?
Light blue, if you have it.
Yes, we do. This light blue shirt is very popular. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. This fits well. Do you have it in a cotton fabric?
Yes, this one is 100% cotton and very comfortable.
Great. How much is it?
It's 50 pounds.
Is there any discount today?
Yes, there's a 10% discount on shirts today.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, how
Hello?
can I help you?
Hello. I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one.
I can give you some pain relief medicine. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Take this twice a day, after meals.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's 5 pounds.
Here you are.
Get well soon.
Thank you.